Your Cadillac is probably doing less than it was designed to do. One of its most useful storage compartments is hidden in plain sight. Several everyday features are buried deep inside menus most owners never open, and one feature is so uncommon that many Cadillac owners don't even know it exists. Let's uncover the hidden Cadillac features every owner should know. Your Cadillac has been reading the road for years without telling you exactly how. Number 1, the safety alert seat. On models like the CT4, CT5, CT6, CTS, XTS, XT4, XT5, XT6, and Escalade, Cadillac built small vibration motors directly into the driver's seat cushion. Threat from the left side pulses. Threat from the right side pulses. A forward collision warning, both sides pulse together. It ships turned off. To turn it on, go into Settings, then Vehicle, then Collision or Detection Systems, then Alert Type, and switch from beeps to seat pulses. One important note before we move through the next few features together. Everything in this safety group depends on your specific trim and options. So think of the phrase "if equipped" as attached to every single one of them. We're just not going to repeat it 23 times. And what your Cadillac lets you see before you even change lanes is even better. Number 2, turn signal activated view. The moment you activate your turn signal, the camera on that side of the car appears automatically on your screen, showing you exactly what is next to your vehicle before you commit to the lane change. This comes standard on the CT5, CT5V, Escalade, Escalade ESV, and Escalade V. Included on the XT5 Platinum luxury trim and available on the CT4, CT4V, and XT6. It needs to be turned on in your settings menu first, and once it's on, it simply works every time you signal, quietly, in the background, until you almost forget it's a feature at all rather than just how the car behaves. But the next feature doesn't just show what's beside your Cadillac. It shows the entire car from angles no mirror ever could. Number 3, the 3D bowl view. Using cameras mounted around the vehicle, the system builds several three-dimensional perspectives of your car and everything immediately around it, viewable right on your screen. It lives in the same camera system as the turn signal view we just covered. So if your Cadillac has one, it very likely has the other. Open the camera app and touch through the bowl view angles. Most vehicles cap this feature under 8 miles an hour, so it's built for parking lots, not highways. Try this next time you're driving in the dark. Number 4, night vision. On the 2021 and newer Escalade and on the CT5V and CT4V Blackwing, an infrared sensor detects people and large animals up to 330 feet ahead of your headlights. Cycle your instrument cluster display to the night vision view, and when it's dark enough with your headlights on, a highlighted box appears around anything warm-blooded in your path, well before your headlights would have shown it to you. Look at your fuel door the next time you lock your Cadillac at night. Number 5, advanced theft deterrent. This is not standard on every Cadillac. It's tied to an optional advanced security package that includes a locking fuel filler door, an automatic steering column lock, and sensors for tilt, interior movement, and glass breakage. If your car has this package, locking it with the fob, keyless entry, or the interior lock arms the entire system automatically. If any sensor trips, you get horn, lights, and, on equipped models, a recorded video clip of the incident. Check your build sheet or your dealer to know if you have it, because this one is genuinely optional, not just a matter of trim level. And the next feature solves a problem almost every Cadillac owner has to run into at least once, without ever realizing the fix was already sitting above their windshield. That's 5 features most owners never activate simply because nobody showed them in the settings menu. Now let's talk about what's hiding in plain sight, in places you look at every single day. Most owners think that strip above the windshield is just a mirror. Number 6, the rear camera mirror. On Escalade, CT5, CT6, XT5, XT6, and the Lyric, That mirror hides a live wide-angle camera feed from the back of the vehicle. Pull the small tab towards you for camera mode. Push it back for a traditional mirror. On the XT5 and XT6 specifically, if the image gets hazy, push the wiper stalk forward and it sprays washer fluid directly on that rear camera lens. A trick almost nobody discovers by accident. Your Cadillac has probably been warning you about a slow leak for days. You just haven't been looking at the screen that shows it. Number 7, the tire pressure screen. Use the arrow buttons on your steering wheel to reach the driver information center, and you'll find the exact PSI in all 4 tires, updated in real time, not just a warning light that comes on after the damage is already done. Picture picking up a small nail on a Friday afternoon on the way home from work. The tire loses a couple of PSI a day, slow enough that you would never feel it through the wheel. The dashboard warning light is calibrated to stay off until the pressure drops far enough away to actually be dangerous, which on a slow leak like that can take the better part of a week. A slow leak losing 2 or 3 PSI a week shows up here days before the dashboard light would ever notice, which is the difference between catching a $10 patch job on a Saturday morning and finding out about the nail at highway speed. Number 8, and this one takes about 3 seconds to try right now from the driver's seat. Global window venting from the key fob. Press and hold the unlock button for about 3 seconds, and all 4 windows drop at once, sunroof included on equipped Escalades. Hold the lock button the same way, and everything closes and locks. This works on the XT5, CT5, Escalade, Lyric, and CTS, among others, though on some models it needs to be turned on first under Settings, Vehicle, Remote Lock, Unlock, and Start. Now, for something a little more involved but worth setting up once and never touching again, number 9, memory tied to your key fob. On models with the memory package, including the CTS, XTS, CT5, CT6, Escalade, XT4, XT5, and XT6. Your seat, mirrors, and steering column position can be saved to fob 1 or fob 2, so the car adjusts itself the second you unlock it. Set your position in Settings, Vehicle, Memory, save it, then link it to your specific fob. If 2 people share the car, this alone ends the daily ritual of resetting everything the other person moved. There's also an easy exit option in the same menu, which slides the seat and column back automatically the moment you shut the car off, so getting out never means squeezing past the wheel. After the first week, you stop noticing the car adjusting itself at all. It just quietly becomes the way the car has always felt. If you have ever scraped a wheel against a curb while backing up, this next one was built specifically to stop that. Number 10, passenger mirror auto tilt in reverse. Turn it on under Settings, Vehicle, Comfort, and Convenience. And every time you shift into reverse, the passenger mirror automatically tilts down to show you the curb line. Adjust the angle once and the system remembers it for every future reverse permanently. Number 11 is one of those features that, once you use it, you can't understand how you drove without it. Auto hold. On models with an electronic parking brake, press the auto hold button on the console. Come to a complete stop and take your foot off the brake entirely. The car stays put. Brake lights on until you press the accelerator again. In stop and go traffic or sitting on a hill, this removes an entire category of fatigue from your right leg. It's one of those features owners tend to appreciate more with every week they have it than they did on the day they first found the button. That's the first 11. Before we get into the settings almost nobody digs deep enough to find, I want to show you the one thing that quietly protects everything else on this list. Already own a Cadillac or thinking about your next one? I put together a free buyer red flag checklist with the suspension checks, transmission behavior, and recalls that matter most. Free. First link in the description. Back to the list. And this next stretch is where the settings menu gets personal. Most owners hand their keys to a stranger without a second thought. Number 12, valet mode. Go into settings and turn on valet mode. Then set a 4-digit PIN. This locks your infotainment system and glove box completely. No navigation history, no saved addresses, no contacts, nothing visible or reachable. One thing worth knowing, valet mode also disables the remote trunk release and usually remote start while it's active. So your car goes exactly where you sent it and nowhere else. It takes about 30 seconds to set up the first time, and after that, you stop thinking about what a valet or service technician can see in your car at all. Number 13 is quietly one of the most detailed tracking systems built into any production vehicle. And most owners have never opened it. Teen Driver. Go into Settings, Vehicle, then Teen Driver, and set a PIN. Inside is a full report card. Total distance, top speed, speeding warnings, forward collision alerts, hard braking events, all logged by session. Hand your keys to a valet, a technician, or anyone else, and this system tells you exactly what happened while you weren't there. If you type in your home address every single week, you're doing something your Cadillac already solved years ago. Number 14, the infotainment presets. Depending on your Cadillac system, you may have up to 60 preset slots, and they are not just for radio stations. Set a navigation destination, a phone contact, or a full audio configuration, then press and hold a preset button until it saves. From that point on, one tap loads the whole thing. No typing in an address you've already saved 100 times before. Here's a setting that changes how the entire car feels underneath you. Number 15, Custom Drive Mode. On Escalade, CT5V and CT4V models with magnetic ride control, going past Tour and Sport opens a custom mode where you set suspension response, steering weight, throttle mapping, and transmission behavior independently rather than picking a single preset that comprises of all of them at once. Number 16 is already installed on your remote start, and most owners have never turned it on. Automatic climate on remote start. Under Settings, Vehicle, Remote Lock, Unlock, and Start. Enable auto heated and cooled seats and, on 2018 and newer models, auto heated steering wheel. Once set, the system reads the outside temperature and activates them on its own, every single time you remote start the car, cold or hot. And while we're on remote start, here's number 17, extending the runtime. This one genuinely varies by model year, so treat the numbers as a starting point and confirm the exact timing in your owner's manual. On many current Cadillacs, remote start runs for 20 minutes, and pressing lock, then holding remote start again before that time expires adds another full cycle, up to 40 minutes total. On some older models, the base cycle is shorter, closer to 10 minutes, extendable once to around 20. Either way, the trick is the same. Lock, then hold remote start again before the timer runs out. Number 18, the fob that can start your car after it's already dead. Every fob has a small tab or button that releases a hidden mechanical keyblade, which opens the driver's door manually. Separately, most Cadillacs with push-button start have a hidden RFID pocket, often in the center console or near the cup holders, that reads the chip in a completely dead fob. Place the fob there, press the brake, press start, and the car reads it directly. The exact pocket location is not the same across every model, so it's worth checking your owner's manual once before you ever actually need it. Number 19 lives behind a button sequence nobody stumbles onto by accident. The hidden diagnostic screen. On Q-equipped Cadillacs from roughly 2013 through 2017, press and hold the home button on the touchscreen. Then, tap the back button 3 times while still holding home. A technician-level screen appears with software version, signal strength, and a touch calibration tool that can fix an unresponsive screen without a service visit. This is Q-specific. Newer Cadillacs running different infotainment do not have this exact sequence. Everyone knows about one hidden compartment. Almost nobody knows there are actually 2. Number 20, the storage behind your screen. On Q-equipped CTS, XTS, ATS, CT6, and Escalade models, Slide your finger along the bottom edge of the touchscreen and gently push down. The panel tilts forward to reveal a compartment with a USB port and a wireless charging pad. Separately, on the 2017 XTS and several other Q-equipped Cadillacs, pressing firmly on the climate control panel pops open an entirely different cubby, behind the buttons, not the screen. 2 hidden compartments, 2 different locations, and most owners never find either one. That is 20 of them. The final 3 features belong only to Escalade owners, and the last one is something most owners never even realize can be added. The same one we said at the very start that most owners will never get to try. Number 21. The cargo floor most owners drive past for years. Open the rear hatch. Look at the driver's side of the cargo floor and lift the carpeted panel. Underneath is a deep storage bin sitting below floor level, invisible with the hatch closed. And most Escalade owners never find it, even after years of loading groceries and luggage directly on top of it, without ever lifting that panel to look underneath. Number 22. Second row seats that fold from a button, not your back. On Escalade models with power folding second row seats, switches hidden on the cargo area trim panels collapse or tumble each seat back without you ever climbing inside to wrestle with a lever. If you've ever fought with a heavy captain's chair while somebody held the tailgate open for you, this is the button that would have ended that fight in about 4 seconds. And number 23. The one we mentioned at the very start, transparent trailer view. This is not something your Cadillac already has sitting in a menu waiting to be discovered, like everything else on this list. A normal rear camera cannot see through a trailer. It can only show you the back of it, which is exactly why hitching up has always meant losing your entire rear view for as long as the trailer is attached. Transparent trailer view solves that by requiring a genuine Escalade or Escalade ESV with trailer camera provisions, plus an accessory camera mounted on the back of your trailer that most owners never buy. Once both cameras are talking to each other, the system digitally stitches the trailer-mounted feed together with your Cadillac's own rear camera, lines up the 2 images, and effectively erases the trailer from the picture on your screen so you see straight through it to the traffic behind you, exactly as if it weren't there at all. This is rare specifically because most people don't know it exists to ask for it. And a feature you have to seek out and pay to add on is a completely different kind of hidden than a menu sitting there for free. Cadillac spent decades hiding clever engineering inside these vehicles. The surprising part is not that these features exist. It's how many owners drive them every single day without ever using them, paying for engineering they never once turned on. One settings menu away, the whole time. Which of these surprised you the most? Drop your model and year in the comments, and if you own an Escalade or a Q-equipped Cadillac, go check that hidden compartment behind the screen right now. Reply with "found it" and your year. Subscribe for more real Cadillac ownership advice every week.